MSRP. Its developers wanted to give the average Joe or Josephina a license to thrill, and in doing so they came up with a robust vehicle and an eye-catching design. The Rotax 900 ACE engine, equipped on the Can-Am Ryker, offers experienced and first-time riders a supreme experience. This is due to its most notable feature, its automatic, intuitive twist-and-go transmission. So without any gear shifting, any rider can unleash the Can-Am Ryker and freely explore with added peace of mind. Also features a state-of-the-art UFit system with tool-free adjustable ergonomic features such as foot pegs, brake and handlebars. So in a matter of seconds, the rider is able to position his or her Can-Am Ryker according to his or her body type and riding style. If the rider opts for a lower seating position, he or she will be able to grip the road while tackling tight turns and sharp curves, so no challenge is undefeated. The Trike Beast also has a vehicle stability system, or VSS, that ensures that the rider is always held in place. Aesthetically, the Can-Am delivers. Depending on one's mood, the rider can swap colors by switching out panels and adding or removing accessories. Customization for the Can-Am Ryker is no joke. You can outfit your ride with accessories and personalization that include rough road essentials that range from practical to protection, such as the Link-U thermal box, which stores hot or cold snacks, with up to 4.2 gallons or 16 liters of food storage. A tank bag offers added storage, and it also doubles as a smartphone mount that can easily be used for GPS. Additionally, you can add a stability enhancing sway bar that reduces roll, a splash guard that offers protection, and a Fox Performance Series front and rear suspension that is specially designed for unpaved roads. If you want company, you can go from solo to a duo by adding the max mount and passenger seat. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.